are you doing up? It's the middle of the night.
I came to show you the moon, Maria. Look up in the sky. That's the moon. See, I was sleeping, but then I woke up and I looked up at the sky and I saw the beautiful moon. And I said to myself, Maria has got to see this. Isn't it pretty?
Yes, Big Bird. I know, it's nice. Thanks. But it is the middle of the night, so please go to sleep.
Okay. Good night.
Ooh.
Gee, I showed Maria the moon, but what about Luis? Ooh, I'll bet he'd like to see it too. Luis! Oh, Luis! Oh, Luis! Hey, Luis!
What?
Luis, look at the moon. Isn't it nice?
Oh, yeah. Terrific, Big Bird. Thanks for thinking of me. Now, go back to bed.
Good night, Luis. Boy, I showed the moon to Maria and Luis, and... Wait a minute. What about Gabriella? Gee, I'll bet Gabby would like to see the moon, too. Huh. Hey, Maria! Oh, Maria!
What now, Big Bird?
Can you get Gabriella for me, Maria? I want her to see the moon, too.
Big Bird, Gabby is asleep, and that's exactly what you should be doing. Now, enough with this moon business, okay?
You're angry.
No, I'm not angry, Big Bird. Just go to sleep, okay?
Okay. I'll go back to sleep right now. Good night.
Good night.
Maria, your shade just broke.
I realize that.
Oh, no.
We're fixing our window shade so we can go back to sleep. Oh.
Who could that be at the door in the middle of the night?
No.
Coming, coming.
Maria.
Big Bird.
Luis, oh, listen. I am so sorry. You know, I feel so bad I made your shade break.
Oh.
Oh, if I hadn't come to show you the moon, you wouldn't have pulled the shade up and down and it wouldn't have broken, and now you won't be able to get to sleep because the moon's going to shine in your eyes.
Oh, but Big Bird, it's okay. We can fix the shade. It's easy.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Come on, we'll show you. Come on.
Come on.
Okay. But... Well, you're not angry with me?
No.
Don't worry, Big Bird. I'll just hammer a hook on the window, put the shade up, and it'll be fixed.
Yeah, but it wouldn't have been broken if it wasn't for me.
Well, it might have broken tomorrow. It wasn't your fault. It's okay. Now, once you come here, sit down and relax.
Oh, okay.
No!
Oh, no, I broke the bed. Now, if I hadn't been here, the bed wouldn't have gotten broken.
Oh, it's okay, Big Bird. It wasn't your fault.
Yeah, don't worry. We'll fix it.
Gee, this room is a mess.
We'll fix it. There. The shade is fixed.
And the bed is fixed.
So you see, Big Bird, everything is fixed, and now we can all go back to sleep.
You sure you're not angry with me?
No, we're not angry with you, Big Bird. As a matter of fact, you know, it was kind of funny. You know, first the shade broke and... And the bed broke.
Everything's breaking,
It was kind of funny, wasn't it?
In the middle of the night.
Yeah. Oh, that was good. Okay, well, I'll let you get to bed then. Good night, Maria.
Oh, well, here, let me get the door for you, Big Bird.
Okay.
Oh!
Oh.
Sesame Street has been brought to you today by the letters G and H and by the number 3. Sesame Street is a production of the Children's Television Workshop.